Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video today, we're going to be fixing Davinci Resolve error. The GPU failed to perform image processing because of an error. Error code 59. So in order to fix that, just open Davinci Resolve, open a project, an untitled project works best. Then go to Davinci Resolve, Preferences, then here change to memory and GPU. Once you're on this page, you have a couple of options here. Make sure that you have your primary GPU selected and that it's using the right option. So for NVIDIA, it's CUDA. For AMD, it's going to be OpenCL. You can switch between the both, mixing around if you need to change something or if you just want to experiment. Depending on your system as well, you may have another option here. So you may have a laptop with integrated graphics and dedicated graphics. So you might have two options. Just select the better of the two graphics cards or the graphics options. So just place a tick in the box, select the appropriate option here for the graphics processing mode, then click save. You can try set them both to auto and see what happens. However, a manual process seems to work better for this error code. So for me, it's going to be NVIDIA GeForce 4070 and CUDA. So once you've done that, click save, click OK, close out of, restart your computer, and it should be working. If that doesn't work for you, here's a few other things you can try, and in combination with all of these, you should have a solution. Those two solutions haven't worked for you, you've got 5 more options. Now, first one is to make sure you've tried the latest drivers for your graphics card. Pretty straightforward. If you've recently updated to new drivers, uninstall those, go back to your old ones. This one works quite often. When you do that, make sure you uninstall your drivers using Display Driver Uninstaller, so DDU. This will clean everything off your computer. It'll be a complete reinstallation of graphics drivers. This works really well. Next one is to double check that your GPU is actually supported. There are some Intel GPUs that aren't supported, maybe causing some playback issues. And finally, the fifth option, update Davinci Resolve. I'm sure you probably already tried that, but make sure you do that. And as well as that, make sure Windows is up to date too. Sometimes Windows is a bit tricky with this. That should solve your problem. Option 1, option 2, and the rest of them. Plenty of options there. One of them bound to fix the problem. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on another video. Cheers, everyone.